Hello, animal enthusiasts. Welcome to Natural World Guide's Guess the Animal Quiz. This quiz will show you a picture of a bird, and then you guess the name of the bird. There will be 4 rounds of increasing difficulty. Ready? Okay, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Easy level to start. Guess this bird. Chicken. Guess this bird. Bald eagle. Guess this bird. American flamingo. Guess this bird. African penguin. Guess this bird. Ostrich. Time to move into medium level. Guess this bird. Toko toucan. Guess this bird. Indian peacock. Guess this bird. Scarlet macaw. Guess this bird. Red-tailed hawk. Guess this bird. Greater roadrunner. Let's move into hard level. Guess this bird. Paradise tanager. Guess this bird. Rainbow lorikeet. Guess this bird. Rhinoceros hornbill. Guess this bird. Hamerkop. Guess this bird. Lady Ross Turako. Time to move into impossible level. Guess this bird. African fish eagle. Guess this bird. Atwater's prairie chicken. Guess this bird. Orange-breasted waxbill. Guess this bird. Eastern towhee. Guess this bird. Bananaquit. You made it. So how did you do? Share this quiz with your family and friends and compare your results. Hit that subscribe button. Give us a like and click for notifications so you'll know when the next quiz is available. Thank you, and see you next time.